Good morning, everybody. Good old restream. All right, I modified the memory on my system. Hold on. Merry almost Christmas to you guys. Yay, how exciting. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Merry Christmas, or almost Merry Christmas. You're looking at I think we have new and improved and fixed. No re-entries for the Brebot. I don't know if Mike wants me to tell his full name, but Spidey is kind enough to come back and do that for us. He coded a lot of our things before Keith. Wow, it's exciting. All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy almost birthday. I have not seen who's on live yet, so I'm going to have to head over to TikTok, go over to here, maybe, there we go, go live. Go over to here. Go over to TikTok here, go back out of there. Merry almost Christmas to everybody. There we go. Yay. A little bit of Christmas news. We have code that is not re-entering for the Brebot. You can't get any better than that. All right. I think I'm on TikTok. Am I? I don't dare go out of here, but do I dare? Do I dare? I gotta have to do this. Oh yeah, let's see if I can get it without causing any problems. All right. Where is our thing? No, we're just going in, that's all. All right, we'll stay right here. Okay. Good morning, Kirk. What's up, Kirk Brown and Babu? What's up, Bob? Merry Christmas, Bob. Merry Christmas, Kirk. Smith, good morning, Merry Christmas. Mike Galinsky, good morning, Merry Christmas. All right. Fantastic news on the Brebot. I don't know how much time I have. Doesn't look like much. Oh, well. Let's see here. There we go. Yep. Yay. Thank you so much, Mike. Humongous blessing right here. All right. Do I see any mistakes? See right here? Boom. Called it perfectly. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, thank God. So now we have the correct entry. Well, I don't know if we have the correct entries. We're going to have to check this like a lot. I don't have time this morning to do it live, but you'll see. Let's go back for the whole month of December and see. Oh, that didn't work out. Let's go back for the whole month of, I don't know where. Let's go back. Maybe it's a July. Correct. No re-entry there. That's good. And then there's a re-entry there. Okay, okay. Now I don't know if it's coded to work on the 30-minute yet, so we might be out of luck on that one. Let's see, the 2 hour. I think it was coded for the 2 hour. It is. I don't think it was coded for the 3 hour. Huh? I was wrong. 4 hour. Yeah. Come on now. I don't have the 5 hour in there. No. 7 hour. No. So it'll be working on the 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour, 8 hour, 9 hour, and 10 hour. And you'll see it as it comes up. Oh, I don't think I have the 30 in there, do I? We do have the 30-minute coded. This ought to be interesting. Okay, so correct entry there on the 30. Correct entry there. See, it didn't reset there. That's perfect. Yeah, we got it. Oh, wow. Okay, well, I'll check it out as we go forward, but there you go. Wow. Thank you, Kirk. Glad you're good. What's up, George? Oh, I don't think I said everybody's name. Let me show everybody. Do we have time? Shit. Good morning, Kirk. Good morning, Bob again. Good morning, Smith, Mike Glowinski. What's up, Glow? Kirk Brown again. Good morning, George. Good morning, Taraya. And what's up, Sam K? Good morning. All right. So here we go. A major update on the BRIBot. Thanks to Mike Spidey. It is no longer entering multiple trades, just one. Nice. And I'll check that with different symbols and such and go on, but that's a big deal. Morning, A Patriots. That's great. Oh, yeah. You guys don't understand. That's huge. Huge. I can always tweak the take profits. I could always tweak the stop losses. I could always tweak the entrances. We're going to need a little help with, but this is huge. Not entering more than once. Now we'll have an option for you guys to enter more than once, but the bot itself will only be entering one time unless you manually change it. Oh. Other news. Other news. We got about 20 minutes. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Sorry, kind of let you guys go here. Let me see. Good morning, Kev. Good morning, Kevin O'Connell. Good morning, Marley Marn, Super Z, and Aussie Trader. Julius. Isn't that Jose, Luis, Julius? My bad, I don't know. Good morning, Joe Bega. Good morning, It's My Time. Good morning, Sam K and Mimi. Good morning, Alex Trades. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. It is, so it is Jose, is that right? I thought it was. It's hard to keep track of all you guys. Bree remembers all of you, but I have zero ability to do that. All right. If you're excited, please type out a 7. And you should be really excited. All right. Good morning, Adam. Morning, Nate Patriots, George, Sam, Michelle. Good morning, Michelle Glowinski. What's up, Michelle Glow? Oh, Michelle's the only one excited on TikTok. Well, okay. If you guys knew what the fuck was coming with that Bree bot, every one of you would be jumping up and down. Sam K. Good morning, Nana. I recognize your name, but I don't know if you have the system. I don't recognize you that much. But good morning to you. All right. Yay, I'm excited. This is fun. Now, I don't know if I could, I wonder if I can code this down because I can change the code on anything pretty easy. That was a huge major problem that Keith was just about to work on right before he passed. Obviously, throwing us for a tailspin. Poor Keith. Oh. All right. So this is the robot. These are the calls. It is fully automated. Well, we got to get it out of here. That's the problem with the full automation is TradingView won't let you fucking trade from TradingView. You have to get it out. So it's like, whatever. This is wonderful. See the reset there. Perfect. Nothing here. No call. Oh, I think I'm going to like this. Boy, am I going to have fun playing with this. This is my Christmas present right here. I love doing this stuff. If I didn't love helping you guys, I didn't love doing this, I wouldn't bother doing this. But I love it. Remember, the bot will have a 90% win rate or better, or I will not release any of the 4 versions. If I release the version and it doesn't end up being 90% win rate or better, I will be taking that robot down and obviously recoding it. But when I release this, eventually you'll have a scalpers version, which will be 3-minute and under trades. You'll have this version, which will work, roughly speaking, 15, 30-minute through 10-hour. Then you're going to have a very slow version, which is, I'm calling it the Warren Buffett version, which is you'll be able to just throw in 100 a month or 200 a month or whatever you want to throw in and can afford to throw in 50 a month. And you'll just watch it grow. That'll be the long-term one. That'll be the daily through 6-month version. And then, of course, we're going to have one that trades all 6 symbols at once. And that's going to be your quote unquote safest version. That'll probably be a 15-minute through 10-hour also. So there's 4 versions of the bot coming. They'll all be automatic. I suspect, well, I know that they're not going to be released unless I can go back years and decades and show them to my own 2 eyes. I'm not doing the fucking trade tracker. I'm not doing the trade, whatever the hell this is down here, the strategy report. I'm not doing any of that. I'm doing it by my own visual mind, and I will go back 20 years or more before I accept the results of any of these bots. So I will manually plot out 20 years as far as I can go back. Gold, I'll be able to go back probably over 50 years if I get on that one symbol. So I'll be going back anywhere from about 15, 20 years to about 40, 50 years, depending on the symbol. And I will be back testing these by myself, by hand. I don't trust any computers when it comes to this. I've dealt with robots before with MetaTrader 4. I'm telling you right now, I will not go forward unless I can go back decades to prove that the system, that the robot is working perfectly. If I can't get that, I will not do that. So, everybody out there, we took a giant step forward to having a fully automated robot, the first of 4, and it'll be coming. It'll be symbol related. Like this one will work on any symbol, but you're going to have to tell me which symbol you want, and then we'll have a list of ones for you to choose from. Like you can get a gold bot with this. You can get a whatever bot you want on this, and then we can go from there. Technically, you'll be able to set your own take profits and such. We'll get into all that later. But yeah, so that is the latest update. The Bree bot is alive and well and better than ever, baby. Ooh, shit, this is going to be fun right here. I am so excited to see this. Oh, I am so excited to see this. This is last year. Let's see. Perfect right here, but let me see this one. Oh, geez. Okay. So this is, and then I got to go back over and over. Why did it take this trade? Should it have took this trade? Did it meet all the qualifications of this trade? When was entry? Was it still enough to make profit? Was it not enough to make profit? See, this is the concern I have. Why did it take, yeah. See, technically, and this is why everything has to be tested over and over again. It shouldn't have took this trade. Obviously, it should have took this trade. Green, 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 red, green, green, pink cross the blue. I don't know why it read it. You can see the blue line. It looked at the trade. That's the blue line. But we didn't see the trade. Interesting. Why didn't it take that? Probably the orange line wasn't underneath. But I don't think we have coded in here the 15-minute or anything where it will read. Oh, well, where it could. What is this trade? What is this? December 26, 2024. December 26, 2024. And this is what I do. And I'll do this thousands of hours. Over and over and over again. I'll do this. Let's see. Yeah, see, it's not coded in there. But when I get it coded, yeah, it'll catch this 15-minute pop. And then, yeah, well, at any rate, I'll get this all straightened out. That's what I do. I just go over it and over it and over it ad nauseum until everyone, I'm sick of it, the coder's sick of it, everybody's sick of it, and then we'd be about right where we need to be. Good morning, Pay Dude. Good morning, Aussie Trader. Good morning, Nana again, Marley Mar again. Appreciate you too, of course, and I bless each and every one of you listening, and thank you guys for all your support. Obviously, we could have done this without you guys, but it's so much easier when you have a group of people like you all are. Very supportive. And believe me, we'll take care of you. So there you go. So 15-minute isn't coded. I didn't think it was. It's hard coded to certain times right now. Yeah, that's a beautiful trade right there. So anywho, it's reading. See, right now it's looking for a 30-minute trade. It read the first one. Again, it looks like it kind of should have took out the pink cross and the blue right there. Shit. See what I mean? So I have to figure out why isn't it seeing that particular trade? Yeah, that would have been a nice little trade right there. How many pips would that have been? Oh, the orange wasn't below. So the orange is below. Now when this comes up, okay, I'm going to call a 30-minute buy stop on NAS. That's funny. I'm using the robot. And once price action comes up and above this orange right here, you can enter the trade. 30-minute buy stop entry will be, well, it depends on how low this goes. Somewhere around $25,415.90, demo trade only. Take profit one will be $25,447.54. Take profit two will be $25,483.14. The runner will then go past $25,550.39. So there is a very, very strong NAS 100 buy stop, 30-minute forming. Now, we can go to the other stuff and see what this is about, but that's what you're seeing. That's awesome. Raina invites you to co-host with one other creative. What's up, Angela and Raina? No, thank you anyways. I'm good. What's up, Stacy? Did you guys so every sevens if you guys heard all the news about the robot, nines if you didn't, but I'll go ahead and put it up here anyways for you guys to read it again. There. And that is the major update. You don't have to spell out the sevens or anything. Awesome news, says Audie Trader. Kevin, Stacy, thanks, Kev. Merry Christmas to everybody. I won't be on again until after Christmas, obviously, but Merry Christmas to everybody. All right. Good morning, Fletch. Good morning, Glow. Good morning, George. All right. Now let's get out of that mode. Let's go over to here and see what's going on. Things are falling, so we're going to go to the 2 minute. Let me show you. This is my eyes. Think of this white little box here as my eyes. First thing I notice, things are red. This is the Uno Reverse Keith bot. This is how you trade all the 6 symbols as one. We have US30, NAS, NQ, SPX, ES1 on the left. Across the top, we have the 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second. Whatever is put inside of the on the fourth symbol will be a signal call out, so you can set it to whatever you want. This happens to be a 30 second. You would have made money on the sell as it went down. Red means down, the down arrow means down. The BS's mean buy stops. You can clearly see there's something happening here. What is happening between the 1 minute and the 3 minute, 2 minutes, sorry, the 1 minute and the 2 minute right here, you can clearly see red, red, red on US30 NASDAQ, but not on SPX ES1. So we're going to go up to the 2 minute ES and take a look. So we're going to go over here, go to the 2 minute, and I want to see why we haven't hit this. Oh, we're about to. Sell to the SPX line, blue line right here. It's about to go under. You're about to see these change. I don't know how long that was. You're going to see these arrows right here turn to red. Zoop. Like that, and then you'll see this one turn. So we'll just wait. No, I never do a sell. As you're watching this, never do I do a sell. I only do buys. There it is. See that one just turned red? Now watch. This one will fall next, probably in the next 2 minutes. It's going to take a minute here, it looks like. So this is going to fall next. You clearly see between the 1 minute and 2 minute how this is the only green one. Sevens, if you all see, this is the only green one left. So it's a sell, demo trade only. Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. Until this turns red on the 2 minute. That means all the indices will be going down. But all when this is going down, it's just forming these higher, see this 20 minute buy stop being formed. Matter of fact, remember what I just called out for you, the 30 minute? But anyway, 20 minute, 30 minute buy stops, 15 minute buy stops. Here's a 6 hour buy stop. I'm sorry, a 12-hour buy stop, and so on. So these are the buy stops that's forming as this falls down and turns red. The overnight reversal, it'll flip and come back up. I don't know about later today, and I doubt that, seriously. But, there's not much volume on Christmas and around here. But you never know. We'll just play it. And there you go. And then we'll be waiting for these buy stops to kick in. So let me go up to here, maybe let me see the highest one I can go to and still have what I want. No, it's not going that low. No, not going that low. Let me see. No, let me see. Yeah, now that's possible. Yeah. Sell to the 2-minute blue line of SPX. Yeah, it'll flip really soon here. 7 minutes to market open. 7 minutes to market open. I don't know if we'll get the reversal at market open, but let me go back to there and tell you. Let me go to the 20-minute. Yep, 20-minute buy stop. Let's see the 45-minute. Yep, let's see the 1 hour. It's a 45-minute, 1 hour buy stop. Yeah. What I'm looking at is right here. These things right there. This is red. More importantly, this sniper, but I'm trying to teach you without the sniper. So this is green, 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 red, green, green. This is a buy stop, which is a future pending order, which means things are going to go up. Same here and here. So we have a buy stop. I'm going to go with a 45-minute buy stop NAS. Entry, it's going to, well, roughly speaking, entry is going to be somewhere around $25,425.09. And then you'll see price action go to take profit 1, which is $25,445.40. Take profit 2, which is $25,466, and then eventually go flipping past the previous high of $25,556.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right, let's see. Kirk Brown says, closing out 2025 strong since joining in April, so okay, not even a year. One account grew 160%, and a second account grew 35%. Grateful for the structure and discipline the system reinforces. Grateful to God, Kevin. Aw, thanks, Kurt. I always like Kurt. He's a nice fella. Let's go ahead and put that in our testimonial room. Boop. Boop, boop, doop, boop. Doop, 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 doop. Doop, 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 doop. Martar. Okay, good. Nice, Kurt. Congratulations, Kurt. Let me pull this up a bit. Okay. Yeah, this is gorgeous. This is a beautiful NQ1 NAS buy stop. Just beautiful. Not a financial advisor, demo trade only. You can see this all over the place. Every chart on every screen has the same thing. Good morning, Grant. What's up, buddy? So there it is. On my scroll underneath on YouTube, you can see helping all traders become more consistently profitable. And then, as proof of that statement, we have Kirk Brown saying he hasn't even been with us. He made 160%. It hasn't even been a year. 35% and hasn't even been a year. That's crazy good, Kirk. Very happy. Thank you for speaking up and sharing. Anybody else has any good news or bad? If you have troubles, let me know. Speaking of that, how much time do I have? 3 minutes? Fuck. 3 minutes to market open. 3 minutes to market open. Let's see. What am I going to call? I don't know. Let's go all the way down to 1 second and see what's happening. 1 second buy stop to the blue line. Right here, right here, right here, right here. It's going to go up and touch this right here. Come close here. Yeah, that looks really good. SPX ES1, there it is. Touchdown, touchdown to the blue line. We still have time for this one. You still have time for SPX to go to its blue line. Boom, touchdown, 1 second blue line, touchdown. ES1 and SPX in the money. Buy stop to the 5 second blue line. ES1, SPX, when one goes up, they all go up. I really like this trade. I'm trying to figure out what the hell's going on with US 30 over there, but I ain't got time for it. All right, we'll just stick right here and watch this. Let me scoosh you over just a little bit for TikTokers. All right. Yay, everybody on TikTok, YouTube. Good. We had a Christmas present. Buy stop, take any buy stop to ES1 and SPX hit their 5 second blue line. We just had the 1 second hit in turn. Yeah, take your time. I'm going to call this 5 second buy stop for SPX. There's less than about a minute left, actually. I'm not going to call US 30 or YM1 at this time. I don't like it. I'm not looking at that. Buy stop to the 5 second blue line for NAS, previous high, and for SPX to hit its blue line where I'm pointing with this orange arrow. Good morning, John Parker. What's up, John? We had a major breakthrough. Our market open in less than a minute. Do not trade market open.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
If you're going to trade it, make sure you're demo trading only. And there you go. Touchdown, NAS and not YM1, NQ1. Let's just wait right here and see. Now, if they pull down again, great. But right now, I'm looking just at open to push up really quick at open. Let's see what happens here. Market open. Touchdown, touchdown. We have touchdown. Woohoo! We have touchdowns to the 5 second blue line for SPX and ES1 as called out live. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. All the 5 NAS hit it. Look at you. I knew US 30 was going to jump up, but I wasn't going to call it because I can't get you guys in the middle of US 30. You'd be dead. US 30 YM hit their 5 second blue lines. NAS, NQ1, SPX, ES1 hit. You're welcome. You're welcome. If you actually want to learn how to trade for once in your lives and be consistent, come over here, buy the 575. You don't need to spend $1,000 on the one. It was such a small group. There's like 3 people in the group or 4 people in the group last time. You go over to safetytrade.com, pick out the 575 and buy it. My goodness, did you guys see all that? Everyone better be saying thank you, God. What an open. What an open. As 90% of the time when I trade open, or 99% of the time when I trade open, there it is. Yeah, I couldn't call US 30. It's too big of a movement. I'm not going to risk your guys' money. Now, SPX, demo trading only. Absolutely. That's your best one you could do. Your worst case scenario is you'd have lost a pip or two if it went against you. Best case scenario, look at you go. Look at that money. Look at everything where those orange lines were drawn before market open. Look at that. I better see a lot of thank gods. You're welcome, Sam. I better be seeing thank gods on TikTok and YouTube because I can stay on for a while. Aussie Trader, thank God. Michelle Golinsky, thank you. God, it's a super easy. Look at that go up. Look at that go up. Wow. Nice. Nice. Look at that. It's going to hook back down and then swing and hook back up again. We're calling out a 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop, 45-minute buy, right in that range, right? We're calling those buys. And we entered in off of the 1 second and 5 second. Talking about catching every pip humanly possible. That's incredible right there. Brian Flores going to be possible. Absolutely. Thank God. Thank God. Thank you guys for speaking up. God gets all the glory. God gets all the grace. God gets everything no matter what. I give God all the glory. I don't care about anything here on earth other than my beautiful wife and my 2 beautiful children, of course. That's it. Marley Mar, thank God. All right, this is awesome. What a fucking, that is just nice. Freaking. That is just something to behold. All right. Does anybody have any questions maybe for Kirk? Or does anybody have any questions for me on trading or the system? How do I word this? Some of you get confused. When I say the system is for beginners, oh, it is. It helps out buy, stop right here. You're about to see price action go. Hold on. You're about to see price action go back up to here. You'll see it go to that spot. You're going to see it go to that spot, this spot, and this spot. What it's doing, it's going to the previous orange high on the 5-second. You're going to see it's right up here and there. And that's what's going to go to right here. So you're going to see price action come up. It's going to hook, come down a little, come back up like that. It's going to hook, come down a little, come back up like that. Hook, come down, back up like that. Hook, come down, and back up like that. That's what it's going to be doing. And that's for every symbol except for US30YM1. I don't call US30YM1 unless it's a free money giveaway, then I'll call it. But other than that, I don't call it. There you go. Look at it. Now we are starting up a private trading group. It looks like VIP only. You have to apply to get in. Somewhere, if you don't have the system, you're paying $500 a month. If you do have the system, it'll range. If it's just the base and without anything, you'll be paying, I don't know. We'll see what you'll be paying. But if you have the sniper and the signals already, you'll probably only be paying like $150 a month or so. All right, I really do have to go though. All right. God bless, guys. Take care. Merry Christmas. I'll be on after Christmas, but this is the last time for today. God bless you all on TikTok. I'm heading over to YouTube for a minute. TikTokers, Aussie Trader, Kev O'Connell, Joe Biga, Stacy, Super Z, Jose, Marley Mar, Sam K, It's My Time, Alex, and Azar. God bless you all. Everybody have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful Christmas. I pray for nothing but blessings upon you and your loved ones. Wow, really hope for nothing but the best for you guys. Hope it's a healthy one, happy one. Remember, everybody remember, life is short. It's just unbelievably short. Look at Keith. He thought he had years left. I thought he had years left. By the time he started to go bad, it was 2 months later. So please spend time with the people you love. Make great memories with the people you love. I know we can't take anything physical when we pass. We're not taking anything to heaven or hell or anything else. But maybe, and Lord willing, he'll bless us so we can keep our memories with us. Look. It did exactly what I say. All take profits hit. All take profits hit. It did exactly as I told you it would do. All take profits hit for NAS. All take profits hit for NT1. All take profits hit for SPX. All take profits hit for ES1. Who saw? Okay. The final thing on you guys on TikTok and YouTube. Who just saw me draw out with the arrows, with the blue lines, and told you what was going to happen before it happened? Told you where it was going to go before it went there. Told you I was going to get there. Told you, sevens or yeses or thank gods. If you guys just saw everything live that I just called out. Remember, buy the system. Thank you, Jose. God bless you too. Buy the system. Is that not the most incredible? Is that not fun? What's up, Dustin? Course demo trade only. Thank you, Matt. Thank you, Sam. Look at that. Thank you, God. It did exactly as I told you it would do. It went exactly where I told you it would go to. Look, right there. That's where it was going to go to. This is price action, right? You see it? Look at that. Fuck. Damn. I'm so good. Sometimes I even impress myself, but I don't take any of the credit. God gets all the credit. Look at that trade. Wow. Okay, I got to go. All right. God bless you all. Everybody on TikTok, have a great one. See you later. Talk to you later. God bless. YouTubers, Twitters, and Twitches, and all that stuff. Let me get rid of that one. Boop. About life has ended. Yep, that's what we wanted. All right. All the very best to you. Thank you, Grant. Thank you, Sam K. All right. God bless you all. Everybody have fun. I'm going to leave you with this thought. Buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop. Oh, I can't call it, but you guys can see. Look. Do you guys see? Look. Look. This should be a humongous. I'm not going to call this because it's just too much. I don't like hurting you guys if something goes south for you. Look right inside of here. There's only these red. Hint, hint, hint. Oh my gosh. These are the only ones that are red. Please understand. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, come on. Look right here. What is this? You can't see the number, can you? Well, the only one I see is the 10-second US 30s red. Hint, 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 hint. Shit. Okay. All right. God bless everybody. Take care. Have a wonderful Christmas. Talk to y'all later. Wow, that was a nice, smooth, easy live. Thank God.